So, Thomas, we must get Lily back to her grandpa now in case Diesel gets rid of the railway.
But how can Lily go without gold dust?
Only in the lost engine. Unless... Thomas, will you please take Lily?
Through the buffers? But what if I go on the railway and my wheels don't work?
But what if they do?
But what if...
Yes?
What if it's dark?
It will be for a while.
And cold?
Maybe.
And how will I get back again?
Because you're a really useful engine and we'll find a way.
Then I'll try. I promise I'll get you home to your grandpa, Lily.
Follow me, partner.
Oh!
Right this way to Bufferville. Just a walk in the park.
You going through, Lily?
You're on your own from here on in, little blue buckaroo.
Little engines can do big things. It is dark and cold and bumpy, but I'm not afraid. Whoa, there's the missing coal truck.
Coal truck? Stoke up the magic in the mountain. That's part of Mr. Conductor's clue to his gold dust.
And Lily, that's what you do with coal. Stoke it up to make steam. We are going to be really reliable and help Mr. Conductor. We're going back for that coal truck. Buffers? Coal truck? We're starting to solve the mysteries, Lily.
You're a really useful engine, Thomas.
Lily, where are we?
Muffle Mountain, Thomas.
I think I feel a little dizzy. I can't go any further. My wheels won't let me.
Then I'll be back, Thomas. I promise, but I must find Grandpa. Where's Grandpa? Can you take me to him? Jump up. How'd you know he can't run?
Gonna get my revenge, Burnett Stone. You and that engine. You know what revenge sounds like?
I've left the coal truck behind. Stop, wheels!
Oh, Lily. I'm so glad to see you.
There's this island with talking trains, and they said you might have been there. But Mr. Conductor's very sick, and Junior's in danger, and I had to leave poor Thomas behind. Here, please help me.
I'd like to, Lily, but I don't know how. I'd like to, Lily. Nothing seems to work.
This is the lost engine from long ago. Now we can go back to the island and bring Mr. Conductor and Junior home.
I can't make her steam. I've tried all the different coals in the valley.
Lady. Is that her name?
Yes.
Coal. Special coal from the island of Sodor. That's what Lady needs. Patch, there's a coal truck up at the top of the mountain. Do you think you could get some?
Of course I will.
I'm sorry, Lily. I'm sorry, cause I haven't been whatever it is. Responsible, reliable, really useful. But I will be! I will be! James!
So you've lost your sparkle too, huh? Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes.
It's empty.
Here we go.
Junior, what are we gonna do?
We'll think of something!
That's it.
I'll find you some more, Lily. I promise. If I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff.
Are you ready?
No, we're not.
James the Brains, get us out of here.
Now we are.
What the?
Hoo-yah! Ha!
Bye, James. Oh. Sorry to be so long, Cuz. But better late than never.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. I mean, we're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we are not down.